What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, even if you're a beginner, even if you're broke and you have no money. Yes, that's right. You don't need any money to do this method. And if you've been trying to make money online, this is one of the best methods to start if you have never done this stuff before. Now, I've been making money online for a very long time now, and I make money every single day, and it is possible to make money online. In fact, my last two videos on my channel, one of them I show my subscribers how I made $45,000 in 3 days, and I also have a video showing my subscribers how I make $3,000 per day online. So if you want more videos like this and you want to know how you can start your own online business and make money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video gets released, and smash that like button if you want to know how to make money. Now, as I mentioned, guys, in this video, this is completely free for you to do, and you won't need a website. So you won't need to go and create a complicated website or blog or funnel or landing page or anything like that. You can do this without having a website, and it's free for you to do. Now, in this video, we're going to follow a few simple steps that are going to take you through this and show you how to start and grow wealth online. And by the end of this video, I'll take you from a complete beginner to an expert, and you will understand how you can make money online, and you'll understand how this make money online concept actually works. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But first, for my subscribers and for anyone that's new to this, we are doing a giveaway for one of my courses or for cash. All you need to do is find the emoji in this video somewhere and then comment below emoji plus cash or emoji plus course, and then smash that like button. Now, you don't have to be on mobile. If you're on desktop, just type the emojis like smiley face or tiger or monkey or something like that. Whatever the emoji is, just type it, or on your mobile phone, put the emoji, and you could be picked for the next winner in the next video. I'll put the winners from the last video up on the screen. We're going to do two again. So how do you actually make money with this, guys, for free and without a website? We need to follow a few simple steps so you can get this started. So make sure you pay attention, watch this all the way to the end. Otherwise, you won't understand the steps and you won't know what to do. This is very important, because if you don't watch everything, how are you going to actually go out and implement this and make money? So the first step is simple. We need to actually find a network and a product to promote. And you might be thinking, how do I do this? Like, how do I actually make money online without having something to promote, without having my own product? You don't actually need your own product to make money online. What you can actually do is go to a website called ClickBank, or there are other ones as well. If you want to find other ones, just go into Google and put in ClickBank alternatives, and you can find some alternatives to this platform. Now, what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate marketing marketplace. So you can find products where you get a commission. More on that in a minute. What you want to do is you want to go sign up, and you want to sign up an account. It's very simple to do. The next step is you want to actually log in and click on Marketplace, and you'll be taken to a place that looks like this. And you can actually go down and you can find particular products to promote. So for example, if we clicked on e-business and e-marketing, I would make $100 if I promoted this. I would make $200 if I promoted this. So this is what you actually make. And to promote a product, all you do is you click promote, and you'll get what we call a link, and I'll click generate hot links, and there's a link right here, okay? Now, I've actually been making quite a bit of money with this week. Let me just show you. Not with this particular method that I'm showing you, but this is kind of to show you that it is possible to make money online. So we're at 17,000, 40,000. So we've done like over 50,000 in this account in the last 2 weeks. Now, what I want to actually talk to you about is if we go back to the marketplace, you've got all of these industries that you can find products to promote. Now, for this particular method, I recommend you find a product to promote that's in like a hobby or something that you have a little bit of knowledge in, or you actually have an interest in. So for this example, we're going to actually go to games, and we're going to go into the gaming niche. And these are the types of products that we can promote. So this one here is the I guess that says the Doogie World of Warcraft guides. We will get $93 per sale, so 2 or 3 of those per day, and that's $200 per day. We've got this one here, which is $217 in the FIFA game. If we go down, we have more. This one here is World of Warcraft Gold Guide, $245 per sale. We would only need one sale of this to make $200 per day. So this is where you actually find the products to promote. Now, what I could actually do is I could open this up. This is the gold one. And I could go to here, and here we go. So people can literally buy this product and they can get more gold in World of Warcraft, okay? And all I would need to do is click promote, and I would get this link, generate link, and I send people to this link here. And if someone makes a purchase, this is how it works. If someone makes a purchase on the gold, on the course or whatever it is, you get money, and the person that owns the product also gets money as well. This is called affiliate marketing. But the problem most people have is, how do you actually get people to purchase? How do you get the traffic? Okay, that's really the big thing. Like, there's lots of products you can promote, but what I recommend you do is pick an industry or a product that you have a little bit of knowledge on for this traffic method that we're going to be using. How do we go out and how do we get traffic to these links so you can make some money? Now, this is the next step. So step number 2 is we need to get traffic to your link. So let's say in ClickBank, you've found an industry and a product that you're interested in. By the way, if you actually click, if you click on the affiliate page here, they actually give you resources that you could use depending on the particular product that you promote. Some don't have resources and some do have resources. This one does have a resource. They've got banners, they've got videos you can use, they've got free trials you can use. You could literally go and send people to a free trial page. You can do CPC campaigns. PPC campaigns, so pay-per-click campaigns, advertising. They've got pre-made articles and blogs and all sorts of things that you can use to get people to purchase this particular product. This is called affiliate marketing material. But what you want to do is you want to go and get some traffic. So if we actually go up to Facebook, and this is free traffic, we go to Facebook here, and on your Facebook page, what you want to do is you want to go down to groups, and you want to basically just put in, so search groups, and I'm going to put in World of Warcraft. Now, you can actually do like general gaming and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter like general gaming, but if you do Warcraft, it's really, really specific. Now, usually most gurus online will tell you to go into these groups and spam your link, but you don't want to do that because that's not really going to work in the long term, okay? You're not going to make money consistently doing that method. But what you want to do is take advantage of something that Facebook's doing right now. So if Facebook is really pushing groups, we are growing groups really, really quickly now. Here's one of my groups that has 37,000 members, and I haven't done anything to promote this. I've just let Facebook do the work for me. So what you actually want to do is you want to go and create your own group based on World of Warcraft or whatever product you're trying to promote, okay? Create your own group. It's very simple to create a group. You just go up to here and you go to group, okay? And you can create a group. But what you want to do is you want to have the keyword in your group name. So I might say something like World of Warcraft tips. And you're going to start a group on World of Warcraft tips. Now, the thing about having a Facebook group is you can make a lot of money from them. I make well over 6 figures or 7 figures per year with my groups and my other kind of organic channels. But what you want to be doing is you don't have to have your face in the group or anything like that. What you want to be doing is you want to be providing value in the group. So there's a few ways you can do this. The thing with Facebook and to grow groups right now is you need to keep engagement going, get people engaged. There's a few ways you can do that. You can run polls, you can ask people questions. Look, we need to get rid of the spam right here. This is some spam from someone that's spamming. Don't do that because you'll just get banned. But what you want to do is you want to provide value. So here's my moderator, and he's basically got a whole article here on value, right? And then loads of people comment, 65 comments. What Facebook does is they actually go and push your group to a lot of places. So first of all, they will actually push it in the search bar. But when people are actually in groups, they can see your group on the sidebar as a suggested group. That's how you grow these groups because Facebook is pushing groups more and more. If I go to groups right here, and I take out World of Warcraft real quick, what's going to happen is nothing. But what happens is you can go back to, people can go to the Discover page, and all of these groups get suggested to them. Okay, these groups get suggested, and we've got categories, we've got all sorts of things. And here's a group here: 102,000 members, 85,000 members. You basically want to go and build up your own community, and you want to keep it engaged, because if you keep it engaged, Facebook is going to push it in the algorithm. They're pushing groups a lot now. Now, a little bit of a trick, if you don't know where to get like tips and tricks on this topic, you can actually go into Google and you can find World of Warcraft tips. And you can actually go to these websites, right? And you can rewrite your own content based off this type of stuff. Just go and rewrite it into your groups. Like, this guy's done a really, really good article here, and people are getting engaged. You want to go and write really good, engaging content and grow that group. Then once you grow that group, you can actually start to monetize your group. So I post my YouTube videos in here and I make money from this. I also, at the top, I have this pinned post here, and I make money on all of my products, okay? So this is what happens is people come in, they see these links, and I make money from that. So you could go and put in your affiliate link from ClickBank in this group. But the most important thing, and this is the next step, is to grow your group and don't try and make money straight away. So here's kind of like the tips that you could like replicate. All of these tips you could put in your group. But you want to go and grow this group, and then once you start to get a lot of members, then you want to actually monetize. If you start trying to monetize straight away and start spamming links in your group, Facebook will pick up on that and your group will die. It's happened to lots of my groups, and then I have to start new groups, okay? So you want to just keep it like a really nice balance. Do a bunch of value, get engagement, and then maybe once a week post a link to the product, okay? Don't do it every single day. Now, the best thing about Facebook and their group structure now, they have things on the side. So they've got growth stuff, they've got engagement stats, so you can actually see how your group's growing, and you can keep growing it and keep growing it by putting in the effort to provide value. Then what happens is your group shows up on the suggested feed in Facebook. And I'm telling you right now, like, groups are massive. Groups are growing really, really big in Facebook. So this one here, 28,000. We've got 7,000 here, 21,000, 4,000, 49,000, 71,000. So you've got all of these people that you can promote these products to. And because you're in the let's say World of Warcraft, for example, there's actually 2 products that you can promote from ClickBank in the World of Warcraft niche. This one is 245. So you simply go and promote this product. That's all you do. You go and do a post once you've built up your group, and you go and post it in here. But you need to provide value first to grow that group. If you don't, you're not going to make any money online. Now, if you want to know how to make some more money online, guys, I will leave some links up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button, tap that notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.